Hello everyone, I love Red6Feb here, and today I am making an update video. And you can probably hear the music in the background, and it may be a little bit too loud, so I might turn it off eventually. But I quite like the music of this den. So I'm going to be touching upon the news or the Jamar Journal, or whatever you want to call it, the new update. I have looked at it briefly, but I haven't looked at it quite into detail, so I decided to do a video on it instead, so I will go have a look at that now. Ooh, pet coyotes, or coyotes, however you want to say it. Have you been looking for the perfect pet? But you know what, I'm gonna turn that off. There you go. There, that's just so it doesn't drown out the sound of my voice, and it's nice music and all, but it can get a bit annoying and repetitive. I'm sorry, Cosmo. Anyway, right. Pet coyotes, however you want to say it. Have you been looking for the perfect pet pup? Yes, I have. Pet coyotes have been making their howls heard in Jamar this fall. Wait. Coyotes howl? I didn't know that. I think I'm just a bit stupid. These wild dogs are itching to be adopted and they're waiting in the diamond shop. I think I'm going to go get one of these later on in the video. So let's go to the next page. Extravaganza. The strange pets that invaded the egg baskets around Jamar have left. Oh, okay. With the Night of the Phantoms, but the excitement doesn't end there. The previous 6 mystery pets have returned to the extravaganza. Have you collected them all? Okay, so I quite liked this, and it was a way to get rarer pets. But I'll be quite sad when this actually does leave completely, because I really like the idea, and I wish this was an all year round thing instead of just for Halloween or Night of the Phantoms. Ooh, they're bringing twists and turns back. This is awesome. I really like this adventure. It got really frustrating, but I really like the adventure. It's fun and you get some nice den items and you can make a nice autumn or fall den with the items that you can collect. Twists and turns. It's the harvest season again, which means the twists and turns is back for all jammers. Test your skills and navigate. I don't even know what I was going to say. And navigate through this colourful corn maze in search of incredible treasures. This adventure only comes around once a year, so head out for some awesome fun and awesome prizes while you still can. And I have done this adventure so many times since it's been out. And later on, obviously not in the video of course, because it will take quite a while. And I don't want to bore everyone with just running around in a maze aimlessly. But I'll probably go do this later on and get some cool den items. Autumn accessories. I wonder if these are all actual accessories that are coming out, because I think they have already come out. I'm going to have to go check the clothing store, because I haven't done that recently. And I'm hoping this designer skirts come out, because it's really pretty and I really like the autumn ideas. Autumn accessories. Autumn is in full swing. Have you put together an outfit to keep you... Oh, I thought that was a grammar mistake. To keep you warm and stylish. I don't know why, but to keep you warm and stylish in Jamar's cool fall air. Puzzle den items. Okay, Jamar. Not Jamar. Oh my goodness. Okay, AJHQ. You're getting a bit, you're running out of ideas now. It's okay. We'll get there, AJHQ. Puzzling how to best decorate your den. Okay, just puzzle den items. Not really interesting. Feast of Thanks. Okay, this is a more American thing, and I'm from England or Britain, whatever you want to call it. But for those American people out there, I'm still going to read this for you. Feast of Thanks. It's time to celebrate the Feast of Thanks, a season where jammers everywhere give thanks to their buddies and everything good in their lives, and strive to help those less fortunate, aka non-members. I can't even read today. The world can be an amazing place. I still can't read. The world can be an amazing place, so long as we work to make it better for everyone. This season, take some time to think about what you are thankful for and what you can do to help someone in need. Okay. That's actually quite a nice idea that they've added to that. Wait. What? Is this just people buying rares? Animal Jam! Are you trying to convince us to buy rares? Are you trying to convince us to get another membership to buy rares? Wow, okay, these rares don't even have that much of a value because they're being bought. And I believe this is the last slide, or is this the last slide? Oh wait, no, I think that's the last slide. If it's not, I'll go on to this one anyway, but if it is, then I apologise. Glorious Goat Bundle. I love the goats in this game. They are so cute. I love them. Create your own glittering. I can't speak. Create your own glittering getaway with the Glorious Goat Bundle. Try saying that like 10 times faster. Glittering getaway, glittering getaway, glittering. I can't. With the Glorious Goat Bundle. It comes with a goat, the sparkling new Regal Winter Palace. I hope you can buy this instead of just getting it with the membership. Wait a minute. Winter subscription box. Is that for membership or is that just buying stuff off the subscription thing? Like buying, I don't know. Someone's gonna have to explain that to me. Sparkling new Regal Winter Palace, a pet goat plus an exclusive fancy goat accessory set and never before seen den items. This grandiloquent bundle, I'm hoping I said that right, otherwise I'll feel very stupid, is available to anyone who purchased membership. Yeah, okay. And then I hope this is the last one. Hold on to your gobblers, really. AJHQ, really. The puns, just leave. Pet turkeys have returned to Jamar just in time for autumn celebrations. These seasonal fowls make the perfect partners for baking pumpkin pies. Oh. Well, I don't think AJHQ quite thought that one through, did they? Baking stuff. Having a pet turkey. Turkey pies. Okay, AJHQ, you really need to think before you do your updates. Okay? You really need to think a little bit more. I think I'm going to put this music back on, just for the ending. Oh, good timing as well. Okay, so that was today's update. Oh, and yeah, for some reason I have bubble chat chucked onto my account, which is really annoying because I didn't actually violate the rules in any way. I was just trading around yesterday and like doing adventures, and AJHQ decides to give me bubble chat. I forgot to mention that at the beginning of the video, but that is very annoying, and I don't like it. My voice is like kind of dying a little bit. That was a very forced cough trying to fix my voice. Yes, I am still here, don't worry. But yeah, I think that's just going to be it for this video, because that was just me reviewing the update. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next video, hopefully. And please give me some suggestions, because otherwise I will run out of ideas and I will have no more content to post anymore. Thanks so much for watching anyway. Bye!